guys, I hope you are having a fantastic day so far. Welcome to the StellaZone kitchen. This was not an intended video, but people have been requesting for it on Instagram, so I'm just going to do a quick video and show you. I'm making egg sauce, okay? Egg sauce. So I had some tomatoes and some of them started to go bad, so I decided to use everything. I have onions here, jalapeno pepper, jalapeno peppers here. I had one medium-sized, all diced up, 2 garlic cloves, all diced up too, 2 eggs here. I like to add tuna, okay, tuna to my fish sauce. So let's get started. So I've already got my pan with some oil in here, fresh olive oil. You can use any oil of your preference. So I'm gonna add my onions, okay? And then I will let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes and then add my garlic because I do not want the garlic to get burned. So I'm just gonna cook this for couple of minutes, then I'll throw my garlic in here. So after a couple of minutes, I'm adding my garlic. And I'm going to have the garlic cook with the onion for about a minute so I can get the flavor of the garlic and the onion to infuse together. So after adding the garlic, I'm going to follow suit with the peppers, okay? You can use habanero, any pepper of your choice. Scotch bonnet, green bell pepper, red bell pepper. Depends on how spicy you want it. I want a little kick to it. That's why I'm using the jalapeno pepper. So I'm just, going to let this cook again for about 2 minutes. So after 2 or 3 minutes of adding the peppers, letting it cook, I'm going to add in my tomatoes. Just mix this in very, very well. After adding the tomatoes, the next thing I want to do is I'm going to cover this to help the tomatoes. Once it's covered, the tomatoes is going to cook faster. It's going to soften faster. So I'm going to do that. Then I will uncover it after it softens up for it to simmer. So that because what you want to do is get rid of the liquid that comes out of the tomatoes. So cover it, let it cook until it softens, and then we will uncover it to let it simmer. All right. So you guys can see our tomato has softened up really nice, but I do not want all this liquid, so hence I'm just going to let it cook some more like reduce the heat and let it simmer. Okay, I want to reduce the liquid. All right, so this is looking good. All right, so I have my tuna. I just added my tuna after having this sauce cook for, I'll probably say I've been having this cook for about 12 to 15 minutes. So now I'm just adding the tuna. Getting that protein in. So at this point, you can add any seasoning of your choice. Taste for yourself. After adding the tuna, I'm going to let this cook for about 5 more minutes, okay? So add your seasoning, taste if you need salt, do that and let it cook for about 5 more minutes, and then we can add our eggs. All right, so now I'm going to, this is what the sauce looks like so far with the tomatoes, onion, garlic, the habanero pepper. So now I'm adding, I I'm using 3 eggs instead of 2. Okay, go big or go home. So I'm just gonna spread this on top. Make sure it gets everywhere. And then I'm gonna make sure the heat. This is a very high stove, so 3 is fine. And then I'm gonna let the eggs cook. Right? This is looking good. Very appetizing. Delicious. The eggs still need a little bit of time. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it cook for a few more minutes. Our stew is looking so good. So our stew is done. This looks so good, so yummy-licious. So we'll be having this with semi-sweet plantain. You know, the plantain is not ripe, not too green, just right in the middle. The plantain is just right. So let me know, give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Until I come your way again with another awesome mouth-watering recipe. See you next time. Subscribe.